So we are talking about Cinnamon Spices, the Linux Mint project. So Cinnamon Spices have various elements like themes, applets, desklets, actions, extensions. So currently there is supported themes are there. So we can select any of the themes, whatever we choose. Some of the themes are here, and another one is the applets. So applets are the these are the applets, and we can choose various applets from this folder. Another one is the desklet. Desklet are like that. These are various desklets. Actions. Actions are various file commands, extensions. Other than that, who has no visual appearance are extensions. So there are various extensions.